edit the video.
All right.
Let's go.
Well, hey guys, we are going to be trying a new viral trend. It's called the Dubai Chocolate Bar.
The pistachio chocolate bar.
And we went
Is
to...
it kunafe? Kunafa?
No, we went to a little place in Irving called Big Dash. Should totally go there. The food was fantastic. The service was even better than that.
Yeah, it's all over in the social media. This Dubai chocolate pistachio kunafe? Kunafa? I don't know. I can't still pronounce it. So, we're gonna try it, guys. So, we got it from Big Dash. Meron silang location, meron silang branch dito sa Irving. And then, meron din silang other part of Texas. And then, so we got this bar chocolate. I think it's like $8.99. It's expensive, yeah. It's expensive with this like small chocolate. So we were gonna try it. Curious kami kung anong lasa nito. So we're gonna break it. Let's see.
Ooh, that does look good.
Oh, get us moving. Oh, let's try. Cheers. Cheers.
Mm.
Let's try this.
Ooh.
Masarap.
It's very pistachio.
Kaya pala siya trending. Ano to? Gold? Glitters. Kaya pala siya trending, guys, kasi masarap
That's not
siya.
super sweet.
They use some like chocolate and it's a little bit bitter. It complements the sweetness of the pistachio and kunafa stuff inside.
Not bad.
It's very good.
Was that whole thing worth $8? Yeah.
It's just expensive, but hindi ka magsisisi. It's good.